Good morning or good evening or good afternoon, everybody. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya or TitaniumBuilt, whichever you want to call me. If you are new to my channel and you just maybe stumbled across my video out in the YouTube algorithm of sorts, hi, hello, and welcome. If you're a returning Titan, welcome on back. It's great to have you back. It really is. So I hope that if you're not a subscriber, you will consider subscribing after you hear today's case coverage, if you appreciate it, of course. And I hope you'll consider liking the video as well. You know, all the things the totalities that I got to tell you beforehand. So today's case that I'm going to talk to you about is the Delphi murders of Abby and Libby down in Delphi, Indiana. And Richard Allen is on trial for that case as of right now. That case happened back in 2016. He wasn't arrested until last year. So thankfully, he has been arrested. But I wanted to bring you guys today a little article and read over a document that has just been released from his attorneys. So I'll start with the news article first. And if you don't know who Richard Allen is, that's him right there. It says Richard Allen's attorneys ask for more time before bail hearing, jury trial. Delphi, Indiana, attorneys for Richard Allen, the man accused of murdering two teen girls in 2017, I thought it was 2016, I'm sorry, have asked the court to reset the date for both his bail hearing and jury trial according to date documents obtained by Fox 59 in Indianapolis. Allen's attorney said they are not prepared to proceed with the hearing because they haven't received the entirety of discovery from the state and will need more time to review it once they get it all, according to reports. So basically, they're saying this case is so big, they have not received the totality of the discovery from the prosecution and haven't had enough time to go through it and really research it, get their own people, their own expert witnesses to look over that stuff, and such. They're asking for some more time, which I don't really see why that would be a problem in this case, to give them some more time if they need it, because this is really a new case to me. I mean, it's not new, but it's new as in going through the court system new. So I wanted to show you the court documents that I have here. State of Indiana, County of Carroll, State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen. And then it says defendant's motion to continue bail hearing and jury trial setting. And let me see if I can get this a little bit. Bigger. There we go. And it says here, now comes the defendant, Richard M. Oh, let me see. Actually, share that with you guys. Okay. So it just says defendant's motion to continue bail hearing and jury trial settings. Comes now the defendant, Richard M. Allen, by counsel Bradley A. Rossi, and respectfully request that this court continue the bail hearing and jury trial currently scheduled in this matter. In support of said motion, defendant Richard Allen states as follows. Number one, on November 21st, 2022, defendant Allen filed his petition to let bail. Said petition is scheduled for hearing on February 17th, 2023 at 10 a.m. So that's what we've been waiting for, his, bail hearing to be, that's the next court date that we knew that we were going to see him before I think his court date after that was March, I believe. Number two, the defense has yet to receive the entirety of discovery from the state and therefore is not yet prepared to proceed with the bail hearing. The defense anticipates receiving the remaining discovery by the end of this week. Number four, defense counsel believes that the volume of discovery is such that there will be not adequate time to review the discovery in preparation for the bail hearing. When's bail hearing? February 17th. Okay. Defendant Allen respectfully requests that the bail hearing scheduled on February 17th, 2023 be lifted and reset on a date and time convenient for the court and parties. Number six, defendant Allen also acknowledges that the court trial is scheduled in this cause on March 20th, 2023. The exchange and review of discovery as referenced above will necessitate that the jury trial be lifted and reset on a date and time convenient for all parties. And 7, wherefore, defendant Allen requests that both the bail hearing and jury trial dates be lifted and reset on days and times convenient for the court and for the parties. So basically, they're just asking for a continuance here, is what I'm getting at. They want a continuance because of all the evidence. They're assuming that they're going to have a lot of evidence to go through, which that makes me very happy about, because I hope that there's a ton of evidence. We know that there's Snapchat videos, fit pictures, things like that, but I hope there's more, just more than that, which there is. There's, we read the PCA, so we know about the gun and the spent casings. And I think that that's what they want to kind of go over, and they want to see what they have, what the prosecution has. But either way, his defense is going to try to get him bail or bond. They're not just going to sit back and go, okay, no, we're not even going to try to fight for it. So if they did do that, then that's not a very good lawyer, But that does look like, I think that's all I had to show you guys on this case for today. This is the second page, just in case you guys were wondering, and it's just the signatures, and it says, I certify that a copy of this document by the county e-filing system upon the Carroll County Prosecutor's Office and Andrew J. Baldwin, the 7th day of February, 2023. So that's all I have for you guys for this little update. I know it's not a long update. It's not a great update, but we do know that he was supposed to go. I actually have my notes right here. Richard Allen is scheduled for, the February 17th bail hearing. And then March 26th, he is scheduled for that was going to be for his preliminary, I believe, hearing for his trial to start, or jury trial. Jury selection would have been starting then. Or, I'm sorry, maybe not that. An arraignment. An arraignment. He would have to plead guilty, not guilty. So with that being said, this is all I have for you guys for today. Drop your comments below in the comment section. I do read the comments. I do try to respond to the comments whenever I can. I love you guys so, so much. Be good to each other. Be good out there. And don't forget, we do go live every weekday, every weekend. We go live every single day. And I am putting out a ton of new content. I have 10, I believe, new videos. So you guys might want to make sure that you are subscribed to all notifications. If you want to subscribe to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, hit all notifications. And if you could, just hit the like button. It really does help the channel grow. I know I'm like a broken record, but it really does help. And I'm such a small channel. I'm just trying to grow out there. So I thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys all in the next live. Bye, guys.